Hello, I'm Frank Hutchison. I'm the webmaster for the Inland Northwest Woodturners, and I'm here with another video that explains how you go about uploading an article for the member resources page. And it's really a two-step process. One, you have to take the article, which is usually a PDF, and upload it to the website. This is done through the website admin page, which I have set up here, and you can only get to it if you have administrator privileges, so this is not for the run-of-the-mill member. But once you've logged into the actual website, this is oneandone.com, this is the page that you're going to see, and you scroll down till you get to where it says Web Space Explorer. Web Space Explorer looks just like Explorer on your computer, your PC computer, I assume. And you get a directory of the website, and what you have to do is you have to go to the folder that contains the articles that are already on the website. Although you can put the article anywhere you want, really, but you have to know where you put it. In this particular case, the existing articles are already on the website, so they're under controls, and then we have articles. And there you see all the articles that are listed with their actual file names. Now, these are not what the user will see, except when they actually download the article. Then they'll see the file name, but until then, they'll see what you want them to see on the actual member resources page. So here we are, and what you need to do is just go over here. There's this one button that says Upload. You click on that, and you get this other one here, and you can then browse. I'm going to do one that's on my computer already. So you go wherever you have to have the file. And in my case, oh, there it is. It's under Instructions, Turn Boxes, Turn Box. I just double click on that. So now there I can do another file if I want to, but this is okay. And by the way, the limit is 20 megabytes. You can't do anything more than 20 megabytes total. And so now you come over here and you can see Turn Boxes right there. Turnbox.pdf. That's important to know, and remember that, because now we're done with this portion of the process. This is the first part. We've uploaded the file to the website. So now we can close this page. And now we go to the WordPress admin page, assuming that you've already logged in there. So you have that. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go to Pages, All Pages, Member Resources, Edit. And this brings up the Member Resources page. And because we use Visual Editor, you don't yet see what's actually on that page. You have to go into the Visual Editor. And the one we want is this one right here, right? Not the top one or the sidebar, but the top editor in this box right here. And we say Edit. And if you go to Visual, you'll see what it actually looks like, because it's a what you see is what you get editor. And there's a list of all the articles we have on the site right now. Let's say that we want to add another article. Well, since we've added the article where all the other articles are, it could be very easy to be able to put one more article in this list. In this case, turnbox.pdf. But to do that, I'm going to go over here where it says Visual. We were in text. We went to Visual, so we see what it looks like. I'm going to go to Text. Here you see everything that was on the Member Resources page in that Visual Editor, but this time you're seeing the HTML code. And if you look on this, what you see is that there's a big long list here, and they all start with a less than sign, an A, a space, an href, and then a whole bunch of other stuff. You might be saying, my gosh, what does that all mean? Well, what that does, that tells the computer first of all, where the article is and what you want to call it. If you look, let me take, for example, this very last one. We'll just add our article to the last one, to just below the last one. It starts with less than A, that one right there, and it ends with an A greater than. And actually, if you are into HTML, the code is actually the less than /A greater than sign. That whole line right there is what's needed so that you can see it as turning the three-legged stool. That one right there. So we go back now to the text, and actually we have one more there, but let's just highlight this, do a Control-C, that copies the line. I'm going to put my cursor right here below it. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to do a Control-V. Now that's just duplicated what we have before from the line above. So now what I can do is, first of all, right here where it says vacuum chucking, I can replace that with turned box. Or we can make it even a little bit more elaborate. Oh, gotta remember to delete the G. How to make a turn box. That is what the person will see. If we go over here to visual, there you have how to make a turn box. But if you clicked on that, what you're going to get is vacuum chucking, because we haven't changed the pointer, the file name of what file we want. So let's go back to text. We go back here. Here's the one we have. And we have all this long stuff, but the important thing is this little part right here, where it says vacuum 20% 20 chucking. And the %20 is simply the HTML code for a blank space goes here. So remember what the name of the file was? It was turned box. And there you have it. That's all that you need to do. Because now, if we go back to visual, what we'll see is this, how to make a turn box. And you can click on that, open link a new tab, which is what we'll do. And bingo, there we have this beautiful write-up on how to make a turn box. Now, one of the important things to do at this point, because we're not done yet, if you were to leave, you'd lose everything. You have to go down here to the done. It's in the lower right-hand corner. Click that. Now you go over here to update, and you click update. With all that now, we can preview the changes. There's member resources, and there's how to make a turn box. And you can click on that, and it comes up. Victory! So that is how you can add an article to the member resources page. That's the easiest way of doing it. There's other ways of doing it, and if you want to learn about those, contact me, or I may actually create a video on how to do it other ways. But for now, that's the easiest way of doing it. So I hope that helps. Thank you.